XO loves and honeys. How y'all doing? All right, so I'm gonna be doing the top portion. As you can see, I am dressed. I am getting ready to go to a boat party, so I'm gonna be looking real. I'm trying to look like I'm supposed to be on somebody's island somewhere. All right. So, as you guys see, I already got my back half done. This I did a few weeks or 2 weeks ago. I'm redoing this style because I lost my footage and I wanted to get it out to you guys. But so I have 18 inches in the back, and then in the front I just conditioned this, and I'm going to be applying this. This is actually 14 inches in the water wave, as well as the 18 inches in the back of water wave. All right, you guys, so you're gonna need some Dudley's pressing cream. I love this stuff. I've been using it since I was a kid. Get about a dime size. Put that thoroughly, especially on your front, because that's the part that's gonna be showing. You will also need a razor or a pair of scissors, some crazy or super glue, and then also some, I'm gonna be using Edge Control, the main choice today. And last but not least, the Got to Be Glued. All right, so we're just gonna go ahead and press it out. All right, you guys, so I'm gonna go ahead and finish up this press, and then I'll come back to you on the next step. What's up, y'all? All right, so I've gotten the hair pressed out now, so we're gonna do the next portion, which is parting some section off in the back. So let's see, I'm not gonna even worry about the tracks at the top because my ponytail is gonna cover that. I just need a little bit for these sides. Like, I don't want to leave too much of nothing out. And that side down as well. All right, so let's get to it, y'all. We pressed, we parted. All right, so let's do the ponytail. As y'all can see, my hair does not fit all in the ponytail. We got all of this coming out, blah, 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 blah. But no worries, no worries. So the first thing I'm gonna do is just part a section in the middle. I'm gonna part right here where my hairline kind of peeks out. I'm gonna take that section. All right, so we got that. All right, so I'm just gonna comb that down and place my ponytail where I want it to be with my rubber bands. These rubber bands are those like cheap breakable ones, you know, like those little kid rubber bands. It'll pop eventually, but the hairstyle will hold itself. So I'm gonna place that like kind of in the middle of my head because I want my hair to fall kind of like a waterfall over everything. So I'm gonna kind of center it. I don't want it to just fall backwards. I want it to fall kind of down, up and down. So from there, I'm gonna take a little bit of some hair. I'm going to wrap it and braid, and I'm gonna add another little piece. Okay, this part is not gonna look perfect, and it's all good. That's not what we need. We're just getting it out the way, y'all. And you want to braid it backwards. That's why it looks so awkward. You want to braid it backwards because you want it to go backwards, right? Yeah. So that's as far down as I need to go with that. I'm gonna take it and just do a knot. Okay. All right. So now we have that. So now this is gonna get really awkward for me trying to do this on the camera. Well, first we're gonna do the hairline. Okay, so I'm gonna grab the Edge Control portion, my hairline how I want it to be. So then I'm gonna take the Got to Be glue and I'm gonna rub over it. With that glue, which is gonna help it, you know, lay down and stay. Put it on cool heat or on cool air. I go back and forth between cool and hot because the got to be, it helps, the cold air helps like dry the got to be a lot faster. Alrighty, so we're gonna do the same thing to the other side. What's up, my loves? If you are enjoying what you see, go ahead and take this time to hit that subscribe button if you haven't already done so. I love keeping up with you guys, so go ahead and leave a comment or message of your thoughts, questions, etc. Thanks. Mwah. Alrighty, y'all, so now we're just going to take some sections. I'm gonna section that off first because I like that little dip. And I'm just gonna use some edge control and lay it down little by little. Okay, take another section. Edge control. All right, y'all, sorry I did this side and my phone died on me, so I'm gonna have to show you guys with the other side, but it's the same thing. So what I did was just take a little portion. Okay, so we're just gonna take a small portion. About there. Edge control. Lay that flat. Okay. Edge control. We're gonna edge control the top portion too, because my hair is short. So we want to make sure all of that is laying flat. And I'm gonna comb through the tips to make sure we're getting everything. Okay, that looks good. The bottom part. Now this part we really gonna slap some on there. Especially on the tips. Okay. So then we're gonna take the comb. Make sure we're getting it in there. Let's edge control is stiffening up on me, so that's the struggle there. But it's all good. So then, once we get that done, I'm going to pull it tight together. Ponytail. I'm gonna take my Got2b glue and just go right over the top of that. Take some of my front portion. Make sure everything is laid. All right, so now we're just gonna take that braiding hair, take another small piece of that braiding hair, and we're just going to braid around it. Okay. So that's pretty good. My hair is not that long, so I'm gonna take that. I'm actually gonna unravel a little bit. I'm gonna take a piece, I'm gonna wrap it around. Take a piece, wrap it around, and tie a knot. Just like so. Then I'm gonna take my super glue, put some on that little, on that knot, because I want to lock that in place. Okay, so while that's drying, I'm going to put the top back on there, grab my handy dandy razor, cut that right underneath the knot. So this is the fun part, guys. I'm gonna take my needle and thread, and I'm gonna take my hair, I'm gonna take it to the end. I'm gonna go up right above my knot. Make that knot. And I'm gonna start wrapping that hair around the braid. And you guys get the concept. I'm running out of space on my phone, and I want you guys to see the whole thing. So while I finish wrapping all the way to the end, I will pick up with you guys when I get to the end and show you what I'm gonna do next. All right, you guys, so now that I've gotten to the end, I've just wrapped, and pretty much I just wrapped and threaded until I got to the end. Whatever was left, I just kept wrapping around the bun, or wrapping around my thing, wrapping around it just like so. And I'm gonna do the same. I just took a portion of hair. I'm gonna add some Got2b glue. So I got some Got2b glue here. I'm just gonna rub that down. And then I'm gonna take that and wrap it around just like I did the end of my, just like I did the end of the track. And as you can see, I have not cut this off yet. I'm still gonna leave that there. Okay. Now, I'm gonna take the end of this piece and I'm just gonna go through the back of my ponytail, and I'm focusing on the part that I wrapped. So all that I want to do is just tie that down and to help, you know, to help the wrap stay in place. I don't know if you can see that. Okay, so then I'm just gonna take that, knot it, and bam, cut it. Do another knot. Okay. So I'm just gonna knot the string again. Boom. Cut that piece. All right, y'all. So let's style it. I gotta get out of here. I'm running late, y'all. Woo, I'm running late. Okay, so first thing, just take a water spray bottle. Then I'm gonna take some Motions foam wrap. And voila, y'all. All done. Thank y'all so much. I love y'all for sticking through with me. I got plenty more good stuff coming to y'all, so check me out. Don't forget to subscribe down at the bottom. Mwah. All right, so I'm gonna show y'all a few pictures of my night because oh my goodness, it was so turned up. But don't forget to comment below and let me know if this helped you out. All right, turn up.